Hello guys, today I'm gonna show you how you can manage sounds in washing machine Siemens iSensoric. So in the first step, turn on your appliance and select the first program. Now hold the spinning button and switch the control knob to the second program. Now we are in the settings mode. The first the second one in the echo, it's a volume of the end signal. So when your washing machine completed the cycle, you can manage the volume of the completed cycle. The 1 is the lowest, the 4 is the highest volume, 0 means deactivated. The next one is a volume of the buttons, so you can manage the volume of the clicking when you're clicking on the buttons in the control panel. Of course, the 4 is the highest, the 0 is deactivated. To apply the settings, just turn on your device. Thanks for watching, leave us a like or a comment, and goodbye.